Welcome everyone. Lesson 5, solving linear equation by substitution. Let's remember what is the substitution. If we have an algebraic expression, let's say 2x plus 2, and let's say x is equal 7. So what we are going to do with this 7? Instead of this x, we are going to write 7. So we will copy the value of 7 and we will pass on x. So what's going to be happen? Not x, now it's become 7. 7 plus 2 equal 9. So what's the value of expression now? 9. Or it can be some y equal 2x plus 1. So y equal 2 times. What is the value of x is given here? 7. Let's write 7. Plus 1. Y equal 14 plus 1. And y equal 15. So that's how we write it. Instead of the x, we are writing the given value of the x. So be careful, use parentheses when you substitute a value instead of a variable. So 5x equal 3y plus 12. What is the given value of x? X is 5. So in here I'm gonna write 5. 5 times, what is the given value of x? 5. Equal 3 times y plus 12. 5 times 5, 25. But here, I want to write 3y plus 12 equal 5 times 5, 25. I only change the equation place. I take the right side and I take the other side. I should change their place. I can do that one. They are equal. So equation didn't change. 3y and minus 12 minus 12. 12 minus 12 becomes 0. 3y equal 25 minus 12 is 13. Divided by 3, divided by 3. That's the idea. 3 divided by 3, y. Now I have value of y equal 13 over 3. I get the y. How can I check it? Is it necessary? Let's check it. Let's substitute x and y on equation, linear equation. 5 times, what is x? 5. Is it equal? If I didn't do mistake, that must be equal 3 times 13 over 3 plus 12. 5 times 5, 25. 3 divided by 3 gonna be 1. 1 times 13, 13 plus 12. 25 is equal 13 plus 12? Yes, 25 equal 25. I get the correct answer, so that's okay. Let's go another example. That's an interesting example. Why? Here we have 2x plus y equal 1, and here 10x equal y plus 2. So if I want to use substitution, at least I need to get x equal an expression or y equal an expression. So here, instead of y, I can put here minus 2 for the both sides of the equation. That's gonna be 10x minus 2 equal y. 2 cancel each other, but they are not like terms. I cannot add them or subtract them. They stay like that. What is y? Y equal 10x minus 2. Now I have a y value. In the first equation, here in the first equation, I'm gonna write 2x plus, instead of y, I'm gonna write 10x minus 2 equal 1. Now that's an interesting. 2x plus 10x minus 2. 2x and 10x like terms, I can add them. It's gonna be 12x minus 2 equal 1. 12x, so that's gonna be plus 2 both sides, that cancel each other. Be careful, we are doing operation right side and the left side of the equation. So 1 plus 2, it's equal 3. Divided by 12, divided by 12. 12 cancel each other. 12 divided by 12, 1. 1x, I have only 1x, equal 3 over 12. Simplify it, 1 over 4. How do we simplify it? 3 divided by 3, 1. 12 divided by 3, 4. It's gonna be 1 over 4. This is the x value. I'm not gonna check that. You can check if you like. Let's continue to the next example. Another example, the minus 92. In this equation, if you subtract both sides, even this question is a substitution question, but if you add or subtract both sides of the equation together, like 2x minus 2x gonna be 0, y minus 2y, it's gonna be minus y, and minus 92 minus 98, that's gonna be plus 98, it's gonna be 6. Minus y equals 6, y equal negative 6. You can find the value that method. This is an easy way. But the topic is substitution. How can we solve this equation by substitution? Let's try that one. Here I have 2y. As you see, they have coefficient, but this y doesn't have a coefficient. So I can isolate y on the one side. I can write y equals something. How can I do that one? Minus 2x, minus 2x. That's cancel each other. So y equal minus 92 minus 2x. So here, instead of this y, I can write that value. 2x plus 2 times, don't forget using parentheses, minus 92 and minus 2x equal minus 98. Here, interesting one, you need to use distributive property. You need to multiply 2 inside the parentheses by all the terms. So it's going to be 2x, 2 times minus 92, 184, but negative 184. 2 times negative 2, negative 4x equal minus 98. So 2x minus 4, that's going to be minus 2x equal, minus 2x minus 184 equal minus 98. Plus 184 plus 184. That cancel each other. Minus 2x equal minus 98. Okay. Minus 98 plus 184. You need to subtract them. 184 minus 98. That's gonna be 7. That's gonna be 14 minus 8. 6. 17 minus 9, that's gonna be 8. So this is equal 86, but it's a positive 86. 9 plus 184, so cancel minus 98, that's gonna be positive 86. Divided by minus 2, x equal negative 43. I find the x value, but it's not enough. I need to find the y value either. How can I find the y value? So I need to substitute this x instead of one of the equation. Let's use the first one. 2 times minus 43 plus y equal minus 92. 2 times minus 43 minus 86 plus y equal minus 92 plus 86 plus 86 y equal minus 6. So we find the y value by using substitution method. So that's take lots longer, I think. That has long steps. If you know how to solve this equation by adding equation both sides, let's go that part again. So as you see, the coefficients are equal of the x, 2 and 2. If I subtract them, 2 minus 2 cancel each other, gonna be 0. Y minus 2y gonna be minus y. Let's write in the parentheses. Negative 92 minus 98, it's gonna be 6 minus y equals 6, y equal negative 6. I find y value, so I can find the x value by using the first equation or second, it doesn't matter. 2 times x plus minus 6 equal minus 92. So plus 6, that's cancel each other. 2x equal 92, not 96, sorry, here I wrote that's a mistake. 92. So that's gonna be minus 86 divided by 2, x equal negative 43. That's another method. So that's, as you see, more easier when you know how to add two linear equation and cancel the one of the variable. This will be easy for you. Okay, let's continue at similar one. Here, as you see, that's the second equation. All of them has a common factor, that's 3. So all sides you can divide by minus 3. So let's divide by minus 3. All of them divide by minus 3. Sorry. Okay. Let's write the equation here first. Minus 3x minus 6y equal minus 24. If you divide both sides by 3, negative 3 actually. Negative 3, it's gonna be positive x. Negative 6y divided by negative 3 gonna be positive 2y. Negative divided by negative, positive 24 divided by 3 is 8. So I get that one. Now I can use substitution method. Why? I can write this equation x equal 8 minus 2y. So now I have more simple equation. So I will substitute this equation on the first one. So 2 times 8 minus 2y plus 3y equal 21. 2 times 8 16. 2 times 2 minus 4y plus 3y equal 21. So that's gonna be 16 minus y equal 21 minus y equal, if you subtract 16 both sides, that's gonna be 5, y equal negative 5. Now by substitution method I find the value of y. Now I can use this y in that equation because I simplify it, so it's more easier. X equal 8 minus 2 times minus 5, it's gonna be plus 10. X equal 8 plus 10, gonna be 18. So what is my solution? X equal 18, y equal negative 5. That's the point that in two linear line intersect, two line intersect, or this two line intersect. And for that one, x equal minus 43 and minus 6. I forget to write the point, they intersect, or the solution. So all the after then that's all same, but that's more easier. Here, maybe I need to mention again. You can use after you factorize it, you can add two equations and you can find the value of x and y again. You can try it. Now in that one, that's all easier. Y equal x minus 3 is given. So in this y, I'm gonna write x minus 3 plus x equal 5. So x plus x, 2x minus 3 equal 5, not 8, sorry. It's gonna be 8. Plus 3 plus 3, 2x equal 8, x equal 4. I found the x value is 4. So one of the equation, it doesn't matter which one you use, but y equal x minus 3. So I find the value of x, y equal 4 minus 3, y equal 1. So x is 4 and y is 1 is the solution of this linear equation. Don't forget, the solution of the linear equation show the intersection point of the two line. Similar question, but here you need to isolate x or y. You can write here minus y and minus y, x equals 6 minus y, not 6 minus 6, 6 minus y. So in the first equation you can write x equals 6 minus y. Let's write 4y minus 6. 6 minus y equal 15. Here be careful, this negative you need to distribute inside the parentheses. Negative times 6, 4y minus 6. Negative times negative 5 gonna be positive, y equal 15. 5y minus 6 equal 15. So I don't have place, I will continue from here. 5y equal 21, y plus 6, don't forget it. Y equal 21 over 5, and you can substitute the number here. 5, and one of them, it doesn't matter which one you use. 5 over 21 plus x equals 6. X equals 6 minus 5 over 21. 6 minus 5 over 21, what is it? 21 times 6, 126 minus 1, 121 over 5. So that's the value, I hope. If there's a mistake, of course, you can check all solutions again. I don't think so. Similar question again. X, you can isolate y. Let's continue the last question. Use the substitution method to solve each system. I put only one example. What is the given? Z is 2 is given. So there are x, y, and z, and the second equation y equal 3z plus 3. So z is given. I can find y value by using second equation. Y plus 3 times, what is that? 2 equal 3. Y plus 6 equal 3. Y equal negative 6. Minus 6 minus 6. If you ask me, 3 minus 6 negative 3. So negative 3. Y equal negative 3. After then I can write -3 and z2 on the first equation to find the x. X plus 2 times y. What is y? Minus 3. Plus 3 times what is z? Oh, z is 2. It's written here, z is 2. Equal 8. X plus 2, don't write the plus because 2 times -3 gonna be -6. 3 times 2 is 6, so plus 6 equal 8. Minus 6 plus 6 is 0, x equal 8. So what is my solution? X equal 8, y equal -3, and z equal 2 is the solution of this 3 equations system. So that's the end of the video. I hope it will help you a little. Thank you very much.